Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan and welcome back. That was a little too peppy, sorry, you know that ain't me. Anywho, so today's review is something that I really wanted to like. I tried it on in the store, and so I said okay, but trying on in the store what this was and then buying it. So that is the Sephora cream lip stains. Now, I bought a lip stain set. There, like I said, there's a sample little, you know, trial pack, whatever you want to call it. Does it tell me the names of these things? I'm sure, yeah, it does. Okay, so they come in a little plastic thing. There's 4 of them, the little tubey tubes. You probably, I don't know how many you can get out of this, so don't even ask me right now. And when I was in the store, I tried one of them. I forgot which one it was, and I liked it on my hand. When I say I tried it on, it was on my hand. It says cream lip stain. So, okay, so it's gonna stain, you know, and leave the color there. And I said, okay, so sure. So I bought these, and let's see, one is called Crimson Crush, which I think is this one. Then you have, wait, hold on. Yeah, Crimson Crush, which is this dark red. Then you have Always Red, which is a nice blue red. It's a true red. Then you have Pink Tea, which is a very cool greige color. That's what I'm gonna call it. And then you have, what is this called? Sweet Raspberry, which is a bright pink. Now, garbage. I'm gonna just say it. Garbage. I know how to wear lipsticks and lip gloss and mattes and all that. I know you gotta scrub your lips and blah, blah, blah. I know this. I have put on different types of light, like chapstick, just plain chapstick, really thin, and then wipe it off a little, just so there's a coating of something. This shite literally flaked off. I forgot which color it was. The other one, it just wore off, which was very strange, but it still left the color on your lips. And maybe it's just these colors, I don't know. I didn't like it. I didn't like the feel. It wasn't flexible, a flexible feel, because it, you know, goes matte. I really wanted to like you. I was rooting for you.
Rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
I'm sorry. That was a bit extra. Anywho, I really was rooting for it. And the little click clacking you hear is my dog because she needs her nails cut. Anywho, I digress. I really wanted to like these. I love Sephora. And I really want the Sephora brand to work. Some of the things they have, it does. But in this case, not so much. Yeah, so it's a no for me. I just sounded like Randy Jackson from American Idol. Wow. Wow, I can't believe I did that. Okay, anywho, so it's a no. These will be sitting in my drawer. If I want to throw on some lipstick and go do like yard work.
Damn! Miss Parker finer than a motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm that person that puts on makeup to do yard work. I know, it sounds sad. But I got enough of it to last me for years, so I might as well, right? And if you're gonna be doing some work, you might as well look good doing it. I'm just saying. Anywho, so, I do not recommend this product. I am so sorry. Now, if you've had good luck with this, happy for you, congratulations, happy birthday. But for me, I couldn't do it. Now, maybe I'll add, you know, a lip topper on top of it and make it not a stain anymore, but more of a gloss, and I'll see, but just by itself, it didn't work out too well. So I'm gonna go with no, and I don't recommend these. So all the, you know, product details will be in comments below. And that's all I have. So thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob, and I'll see you next time.